Welcome back to Tech 360. Hey everyone, Marquez here. Today, we're diving into a hot topic that's got everyone buzzing. Will AI replace software engineers? It's a question that's on a lot of minds, especially with the rise of AI-powered tools like ChatGPT and GitHub Copilot that seem to be writing code like magic. But before we jump to any conclusions, let's break it down and see what's really going on. We'll explore how AI is already impacting the field, where it excels and where it falls short. By the end of this video, you'll have a clearer picture of the future of software engineering in an AI-driven world. Let's be real, AI is already changing the game. We're seeing it pop up in coding assistants that can whip up lines of code, hunt down those pesky bugs, and even optimize algorithms, making life a little easier for developers. Think GitHub Copilot, ChatGPT. These tools are like having an extra pair of hands, or should I say lines of code, at your disposal. But here's the thing, these AI tools are like high-powered assistants, not replacements. They're designed to take care of the repetitive, time-consuming tasks that engineers often face, freeing them up to focus on the bigger picture. Writing code is just one piece of the puzzle. Software engineering is about understanding what users need, designing systems that work, and solving complex problems that pop up along the way. It's about thinking critically, getting creative, and understanding the ins and outs of the problem you're trying to solve, areas where AI still has some catching up to do. Sure, AI can help you write code, but it can't replicate the human touch of understanding context, making judgment calls, or coming up with truly innovative solutions. Here's the deal. The role of a software engineer is definitely evolving, but it's not disappearing. Instead of spending hours writing every single line of code, engineers will be working hand in hand with AI tools to build software faster and more efficiently. This means becoming fluent in AI collaboration, mastering system design, and becoming a pro at overseeing AI-generated work. The future is all about adaptation. Chapter 4. Let's keep it 100. AI has its limitations. AI models are only as good as the data they're trained on. They can trip up on new problems, struggle with those weird edge cases, and they haven't quite mastered the art of deep domain expertise. And let's not forget, AI-generated code often needs a human once-over to make sure it's top-notch quality, secure, and actually aligns with what the business is trying to achieve. Software engineers, you're still the quality control specialists. Chapter 5. Here's an interesting thought. As AI makes software development more accessible, the demand for software solutions could skyrocket. This means more opportunities for skilled engineers, especially those who know how to leverage the power of AI tools. Plus, someone's got to build, maintain, and improve these AI systems, right? The future is bright for those who embrace the AI wave. Chapter 6. Software engineering isn't just about technical skills. It's about understanding human needs and making sure technology is used ethically. AI might be a whiz at code, but it can't empathize or make those nuanced, value-based decisions that we humans grapple with. That's where software engineers come in. You're the guardians of ethical tech, ensuring that what we build aligns with human values and doesn't go all Black Mirror on us. So, there you have it. AI is a powerful tool, but it's not here to take over. It's here to help us be better at what we do. If you can learn to work with AI, you'll be ahead of the game. Think of it as a collaboration, not a competition. The future of software engineering is all about combining human ingenuity with the efficiency of AI. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech insights.